Ever wondered how engine oil actually works? Let's break it down. Engine oil is like the lifeblood of your vehicle, reducing friction between moving parts and preventing wear and tear. It circulates through the engine, picking up heat and dirt, and then it's filtered out to keep things clean. But here's the kicker. Oil also helps with cooling. As it flows, it absorbs heat, preventing your engine from overheating during those high-speed sprints. And don't forget about viscosity. The right thickness ensures it flows smoothly, whether it's freezing cold or blazing hot. So next time you rev that engine, remember, it's not just about horsepower, it's about that silky, smooth engine oil doing its magic.